What's up, everybody? Welcome to another channel of Machine Head Repair Project. And today we're going to be discussing about tire pressure. So all tires are made differently. There's thickness, size, width, but every tire holds air. So what's important is we need to put the proper amount of PSI air into your tire. One best way to find out how much air your tire holds is you would go to your driver's side door, and on the side panel you will see a sticker on the door or on the body frame, and it'll have a wheel image on there, and it will show what size tires come with the vehicle and how much air should be in the tire. So on this sticker here on this vehicle, it will show a capacity seating of 5 people and then how many tires are on this vehicle. So in the front it shows 2, and in the rear it shows 3. And you're wondering, why does it show 3 in the rear? Well, don't forget about the spare tire. So right here it shows tire, front, rear, and spare, and then size of the tire, and then cold tire pressure of 30 psi, and then on the spare is 60 psi. Also, another way to look up your information is the owner's manual. When you want to know about your wheels or information about anything on your vehicle, you go to the owner's manual, and on here it will say checking tire inflation pressure. It will show you where to look up. Also, it will tell you the information. It will show you how to air up your tire, inspection and adjustment procedure, and then how to check it if you need to replace it. All that information will be in your owner's manual. Also, if you don't have an owner's manual, on the wheel itself will also tell you the capacity, the size, and how much air should be inflated in your tire. And if you just look around the wheel, it will show all that information. You just got to look very closely and find it. So first thing you want to do when you want to check the tire pressure is you want to take the cap off the gauge, and then you want a digital reader to check your pressure at PSI. You stick it in and then you read it. Right now it shows at 20.5, and if you remember correctly, the reading should be at 30 PSI. So we're gonna have to air it up. You go to your nearest gas station, or if you have a compressor, you get your air gauge thing, connect it, air it at the certain PSI. You get your gauge, check it again. Right now it's at 31.5. If you go over whatever your PSI is, put your gauge back in and just let a little bit of air out. And now we're at 29.5. We'll go ahead and add a little bit more air back into it. You can never do this wrong. You either go over or go under, but keep on doing it until you get that exact measurement that you need to be at. Right now we're at 30.5, so we're in good shape. Once you put the pressure in, put the cap back on, and you're good to go. Important note: on your tire, you can purchase what they call a Fix-A-Flat. It is a glue that you can fill in to your tire, and it should clog up the hole or whatever the leak of your tire. Now, here's a warning on that. Most tire companies will not fix your tire or change your tire on your wheel because of that. It leaves a lot of residue, goo, and a big mess, and it's a lot of work for them to clean that off. So in case of emergency, if you really need to fix a flat, use it, but I recommend not to. And that's how you check the tire pressure on your tire, and that's how you air it up. If this has been helpful, please click the like button on the bottom. If you have any questions or comment, please leave it down below. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.
Perfect.